Amalunga weYuniyoni ekulu yamakoro mphakathi enarheni le inehawu aphakamisa ukuthi ihlangano yamakhomanisi South African Communist Party ingenele ikhetho lika 2024 njengehlangano ezijameleko.
Were quite clear that this Congress were going to lobby and engage others to support the Communist Party in 2024 because we have no other option that we can rely on except the party. But that's the view of NEAU. It's going to be tested there, and we'll hear what the Congress, how Congress resolve on that matter.
Nabekethula ikulumo phambi kwenthunywa embizweni nobhala zombelele we-SACP uthe lokho ngahle kwenzeke ngasikade.
We work within a revolutionary movement. And therefore, the agenda for the revolutionary movement remains the most valid agenda if properly implemented in our country. So don't ever say the SACP is not ready. That is incorrect. The SACP is ready. The issue is, in its readiness, is the working class ready?
Nakusenjalo i-ANC ingcenye ehlanganisela leyithi igadango elifana naleli lingaphatlalatsha amavotu.
The ANC can't back the party if the party breaks ranks. If the party breaks ranks, the ANC can't support that. We'll contest. All we are going to split is the base because the party is going to fish from the same pond where the ANC is fishing.
Ingakhana abasebenzisani be-ANC sebafika ezingeni lokuthitshelana na kuzakutsho isikhathi.